What's poppin', people? It's your favorite Polish cartoonist, Peter G. And there was a challenge on LinkedIn to show your work areas, and they said no cleaning up, so this is what you get. And it is specifically emphasized that that they wanted to see what your work setup looked like just as it was. And I haven't done one of these in a while. I have had a couple of pictures here and there of some of the stuff that I've done. But I recently I set up an old storage room to basically be a studio to work in. So this is kind of an update. Now, this is basically the main computer area. This is my kitchen table. This is where I do like the actual animation work, where I scan in documents. I will do some audio editing here, and some coloring for the most part. But this is mostly where I actually get the thing produced and done. And over there, that's the Mac Mini that does most of my heavy lifting for animation. That one I call Avery. Pinball machine to blow off some steam, although I think you can tell it's not exactly being used for its intended purpose at the moment. And some of my art supplies, because I still have to organize everything in the new studio and get everything in there. And if you want to see the studio proper, it's over here. Yeah, check that out. So here it is. This is a storage room. It was originally just 9 feet by 5 feet, but I think I've been putting it to really good use. So we have I wanted things in here that motivate me or inspire me. So things that I like and appreciate are things that make me go, wow, I want to do something like that. And this absolutely had to go up. Cardcaptor Sakura, that was the thing that motivated to actually start making cartoons and comic books. So without Cardcaptor Sakura, I wouldn't be doing any of this right now. So that absolutely had to go on the wall. But you'll see a lot of the stuff that I like here. Here's the drawing area. That's the clipboard. I will take that and some paper with when I go grocery shopping. And while waiting in line, I'll try and get some of my work done. I'm not sure if you can see it, but these circles, that's the basis of a new piece that's for a segment I'm animating today. There's supposed to be a whiteboard here, but I haven't found one that actually sticks to it yet. I still got to work on that. And various other things that I like and admire. And there's Chuck Jones, classic animation director. Kathy Ireland, great person. Leslie Nielsen, the guy could read a parking ticket and make it funny. And Roy Scheider, not only a great actor, but I loved the first season of Sequest. And little heater because, well, this room does get a bit drafty at times. I didn't plug up all the holes when I redid it. But the file cabinet, oh look, there's that's what I'm working on right now. It's need that so I can see what I need to work on and get done. And over here is a storage closet that still needs a little organization here and there. Really, this shelf right here is going to be for my reference books once I get all this other stuff organized and cleared out. That's the reference library of sorts. This is where I have my original art, storyboards, and storyboards from other people. You'll see there's a couple of Star Trek ones in there, Tom and Jerry, stuff that I can learn from, but also my own stuff, as you can see here. Here's 2 binders so far of the Sailor Poland artwork and keyframes for the movie. And there's easily going to be a 3rd one. I'm only about 2/3 of the way done, so yeah, it's going to expand even more. But Frank Cho, very, very funny guy. I miss his Liberty Meadow strips so much. Johnny Bravo. Soundwaves, one of my first comic books, and I loved that series. I really ought to revisit it sometime. I never did finish that up. Trey Parker and Matt Stone, 2 of my idols. I love those guys. I really, if I could be even a quarter as talented as them, I would be thrilled. And Sailor Poland herself, Dick Whiskey Drunk Cop, Perry the Platypus, Oh, and like I said, Sequest. Gotta love Sequest. That bag is actually bigger than my suitcase, but it beats the carry-on rule, so I'm happy. And the various storage drawers for the various things that I work on. And there you go. There's a quick look around everything. Poland forever. Talk to you later.